Stop eating celery sticks and rice cakes. The best weight loss snacks are actually delicious, and I'm about to prove it to you right now. If you think losing weight means suffering through bland, boring snacks, you've been lied to. The truth is, the right snacks can actually speed up your weight loss, crush your cravings, and keep you satisfied for hours. Today, we're breaking down the top snacks that fit perfectly into your weight loss journey, backed by science and real results. Snack 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Let's start with a powerhouse combination. Greek yogurt packs up to 20 grams of protein per serving, which keeps you full and helps build lean muscle. The berries add natural sweetness, fiber, and antioxidants without spiking your blood sugar. The best part? This snack takes 30 seconds to prepare. Just make sure you choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars that sabotage your progress. Snack 2. Almonds. Here's something most people get wrong about nuts. Yes, they're calorie dense, but that doesn't make them bad for weight loss. A small handful of almonds contains healthy fats, protein, and fiber that signal your brain you're satisfied. Studies show people who eat almonds as snacks tend to eat less at their next meal. The key is portion control. Stick to about 23 almonds, roughly 1 ounce, and you're golden. Snack 3. Apple slices with almond butter. This combination is genius for weight loss. Apples are loaded with fiber and water, making them incredibly filling for very few calories. Add a tablespoon of almond butter, and you get healthy fats and protein that slow down digestion and keep blood sugar stable. This means no energy crashes, no sudden hunger pangs. Just slice your apple, spread the almond butter, and enjoy a snack that actually works with your body. Snack 4. Hard-boiled eggs. If you want maximum nutrition with minimum calories, hard-boiled eggs are unbeatable. 2 eggs give you 12 grams of high-quality protein and important nutrients like vitamin D and choline. They're portable, easy to prep in advance, and keep you satisfied for hours. Meal prep a batch on Sunday, and you've got instant weight loss snacks for the entire week. Snack 5. Vegetables with hummus. Raw vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers are extremely low in calories but high in volume and nutrients. Pair them with hummus made from chickpeas, and you add plant-based protein and fiber to the mix. This snack fills your stomach without filling out your waistline. Plus, the crunch factor makes eating more satisfying, which tricks your brain into feeling more content. Snack 6. Cottage cheese. Don't sleep on cottage cheese. This underrated snack delivers massive amounts of protein with very few carbs. It's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps you full for extended periods. You can eat it plain, or add some cinnamon and a few berries for flavor. Either way, you're getting a metabolic boost that supports fat loss while preserving muscle. Here's what you need to remember. Weight loss snacks don't have to taste like cardboard. They should be satisfying, nutritious, and simple to prepare. Greek yogurt with berries, almonds, apple slices with almond butter, hard-boiled eggs, vegetables with hummus, and cottage cheese. These 6 snacks check all the boxes. They control hunger, provide real nutrition, and support your weight loss goals without making you miserable. Choose 2 or 3 that appeal to you, prep them in advance, and watch how much easier your weight loss journey becomes. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds won't hate you.